यहाँ के तो कॉलेज वाले तो कुछ कर नहीं रहे अभी भी। इसके देखना रजिस्टर में साइन कर रहे हैं अपनी कॉलेज वाले बीओजी में रख रहे हैं। बीओजी में रख रहे हैं। जब एक बार बताओ परसों के दिन के अखबार में आ गया इसकी सेवाएं समाप्त करने के निर्देश। कौन से अखबार में? दोनों में, पत्रिका में और भास्कर में नहीं है। अरे भास्कर फर्जी। भास्कर को तो भास्कर वाला लास्ट टाइम तक बैठा रहा बोले मैं छाप रहा हूँ। मैं बता रहा हूँ भास्कर वाले को कैसे पत्रिका ने छाप दी। जीव ने न्यूज चला दी। मेरे को नवजीत क्या था, नवजीत ने आ गया और पूरी कहानी है। नहीं कहानी तो पूरी है सर। जीव ने नहीं
हेलो हाँ अंशुल हेलो
ये देखो इधर आओ।
हेलो हाँ बाकी लोग नहीं आएंगे क्या अंशुल? हेलो
हेलो
खाना खा रहा था।
हेलो
पता सर आज सर की अजीत जोशी सर की क्लास में नहीं आए थे सर।
कितने आए थे?
अजीत जोशी सर की क्लास में बहुत कम जने आए थे सर।
कितने थे?
3-4 ही आए थे सर।
अच्छा
4-5 जने थे। हाँ सर इसमें भी नहीं आए आज।
उस वाले में लग रहा होगा ना उसमें होगा। हेलो अरे राहुल सर इनका पेन ड्राइव पेन ड्राइव ठीक है स्टार्ट करते हैं ना। Thermal radiation or radiation heat transfer is a distinct separate mechanism from conduction and convection heat transfer energy. It refers heat energy emitted by the body because of their temperature. All bodies at a temperature above absolute zero emit energy by a process of electromagnetic radiation. Suppose this is a fire at a temperature of 500 degrees centigrade. So it emits energy as per its temperature and the value is sigma T to the power 4, where sigma is the Boltzmann constant. E equal to sigma T की power 4. If there is another body of temperature 400 degrees centigrade, it also emit energy. Depends on E equal to sigma T to the power 4. The sigma T to the power 4 valid only for black body. It is valid for black body only. If the body is not a black body, then constant epsilon or emissivity will be multiplied. Emissivity into sigma T to the power 4 is the energy emitted. Depends on the temperature. Temperature की power 4 in terms of absolute means Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale. To convert degree centigrade into Kelvin, we have to add 273. 273. This is to Kelvin equal to 273 plus degree centigrade. Suppose the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. 30 degrees centigrade. Then we have to convert is Kelvin. 273 plus 30. Then it becomes 301. Oh, 303. Not 301. 303 Kelvin. So the energy emitted by the body is sigma T to the power 4. From this diagram, we can see two bodies. First, at a human being, the temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, and a fire, the temperature is 500 degrees centigrade. Both emit heat radiation.
मैंने नेट कनेक्ट करके रखा है क्या?
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
जा रहा था,
जा रहे हो क्या? ठीक,
राहुल सर अपना नेट कनेक्ट कर दो ना।
खत्म हो गया मेरा, डिस्कनेक्ट हो
चलो
गया।
जब तक है
चलो ठीक, ठीक है। सपोज मैन standing here, the temperature at 37 degrees centigrade, emit heat at its own temperature 37 degrees centigrade, and the fire at the temperature 500 degrees centigrade. So the temperature is higher, the radiation emitted from this point is higher as compared to this man. He also emit radiation with lesser amount, and the radiation from the fire is higher amount, depends on the power 4 of temperature. The temperature becomes 500 plus 273. 500 plus 273 means 773 Kelvin. And this temperature 274 plus 37 degrees centigrade. So the temperature is much higher. So the man feel hotter because he gain thermal radiation. The energy transferred by radiation does not require any medium between hot and cold surface. From the sun, we get heat. The example of thermal radiation, because hello, Pramod. Hello, Pramod. Yes. सन से जो रेडिएशन आ रही है वो वैक्यूम से होके आ रही है अपने पास, है ना। तो इसका मतलब क्या है, इसको मीडियम की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, जबकि कंडक्शन और कन्वेक्शन दोनों के लिए मीडियम एसेंशियल है। अगर मीडियम नहीं होगा तो वो प्रोसेस पॉसिबल नहीं है। द एनर्जी ट्रांसफर बाय रेडिएशन इज द फास्टेस्ट स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. Electromagnetic wave, through the electromagnetic wave, through the speed of electromagnetic wave is speed of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So very fast speed, and it does not suffer any attention even in the vacuum. In fact, the heat transfer though an evacuated space can occur only by radiation. In vacuum also, this speed, if the medium is entered, then the speed slightly reduced. When a person sits in front of a fire, he gets most of the heat energy by radiation. Further, it is also interesting that the radiation heat transfer can also occur between two bodies separated by a medium that is colder than the both bodies. For an example, the energy emitted by sun reaches the Earth's surface after traveling space and extremely cold air layers at high altitudes. Then suppose this is a Earth and this is atmosphere surrounded by Earth. The temperature at the bottom part of Earth is higher as compared to upper part, because in the rainy season there is a fog or called बादल. जो बादल होते हैं ना sun के लिए fog is there, but the sun's rays can be reached through these. ऊपर की तरफ एटमॉस्फेयर यहाँ पर ठंडा होता है ना, टेम्परेचर डाउन हो जाता है, लेकिन बॉटम नियर बाई अर्थ पे क्या होता है, टेम्परेचर काफी ज्यादा हो जाता है 50-60 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, जबकि अपर साइड में टेम्परेचर कम है. The actual mechanism of radiation propagation is not fully understood, but two theories, first है Maxwell theory and third है Max Planck theory are used for study thermal radiation. First अपन Maxwell theory पढ़ते हैं ना. According to Maxwell electromagnetic theory, the energy is transferred from a hot body to cold body in the form of electromagnetic waves. The electromagnetic waves possesses the energy emitted by a body as a result of the change in electronic configuration of atoms or molecules. These electromagnetic waves transport energy like other waves, and these electromagnetic waves travel with the speed of light. The electromagnetic waves are characterized by the frequency and wavelength. Lambda into nu frequency equal to c. C is the speed. C is constant, not speed. So lambda and frequency. So lambda is inversely proportional to frequency. Means if wavelength is higher, then frequency is lower. Frequency is inversely proportional to lambda or wavelength. If a wave have a higher frequency, then wavelength is shorter. So the shorter wavelength have high frequency, and low wavelength or high wavelength rays have a low frequency. C is the speed of light. In vacuum, 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. H is the Planck constant. Planck constant value is 6.6256 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule into second. These are the wavelength. This is wavelength and this is the frequency of different waves. The wavelength of 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 2 is region of microwave, and 10 to the power 2 to 10 to the power minus 1 is thermal radiation, where in thermal radiation some is infrared 0.76 to 100 micrometer. These are the wavelength. And solar radiation 0.1 to 3 micrometer. And these are the X-rays. This is gamma rays. And the lower side is the frequency. The frequency is 10 to the power 13. So the frequency is higher this side, and wavelength is from this side, inversely proportional to wavelength, where frequency is increasing and wavelength is decreasing. Hello, Anshul. Hello. You can draw this diagram, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Hello. हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ, इसको ड्रॉ कर सकते हो ना?
हाँ
ड्रॉ कर लिया। हेलो। हाँ अंशुल, हेलो।
यस सर।
The visible spectrum consists of a narrow bands of color from violet to red. The wavelength 0.4 to 0.44 is violet.
यस सर पढ़ लिया।
हाँ हेलो। हाँ क्या हुआ अंशुल? हेलो। हेलो। 0.4 to 0.76.
यस सर।
Visible range 0.4 to 0.76.